So let's insert that banner logo into this div. Again, I'm going to click to place my cursor inside the div. You can check in the code to make sure you're inside the right one, or checking up here to make sure you're in the right place. And in images, I have an image called Site Logo. Click and drag it into place. Now I want to add some alternate text, snug as a bug. Alt text only appears behind the image in the code. It won't display on the page, but it's an important consideration for anyone who's surfing the web with their images turned off or anybody who might be using a browser that reads a page to them. So always add alt text. Now let's go ahead and set a link from this graphic to what's going to be the main page of our website. We haven't created it yet, but you'll see you can create a link in a master page just like you would create it anywhere else on a page. So if I click and select this and I choose the link button, then I can type default.aspx, which is going to be the home page of our asp.net website, and click OK. And that's just going to make sure that our logo always brings our users back to our home page. By the way, if you notice that Expression Web just created a new style and called it Style 1 and added it to the Style task pane, that style simply sets the image border to 0. When I set that banner to be a link, you would have automatically gotten a border around it in the color of your link color, unless you set border to 0. And since Expression Web assumes you don't want that ugly border there, and I certainly don't, it automatically creates that style. Now, you can rename it, you can create that style yourself, but you'll almost always find an automatically generated style like this in your Styles task pane if you turn an image into a link.